In this video, we are going to scry and connect with the energies of Prince Harry. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Please hit the like button and the subscribe and notification bell so you will be notified of all my new latest videos. Thank you. Today we're going to scry with my purple crystal ball. And this probably isn't all. We'll probably use a few spheres here. I always end up using a few different ones. So we're going to scry the crystal ball and we are going to try to connect with Prince Harry. I've got all my incense going and we are going to ask in a moment for protection because it's important to do so. With all of the latest news, with Harry's stunt last week of somebody supposedly, allegedly, I don't know who it was, apparently nobody knows, that this letter ended up at VJ Day. Yeah, it's all weird. And we all know that he only does it to upstage his royal family. He and Meghan do it all the time. So we are going to see if we can connect with the energies, see what exactly is happening. We are going to ask for Archangel Michael and all the archangels that we ask for to protect us today. So what I'm going to do is clear the air here. And I'm going to ground myself. And you can do this along with me too. Place your feet flat on the floor and take some deep breaths. Really slow down your breathing. Imagine roots coming out of the soles of your feet all the way down to the center of the earth, wrapped around a gigantic rose quartz crystal. And this crystal is full of unconditional love. And that love comes straight back up through those roots all the way up through all the chakras, out the crown chakra, and up into the heavens to the highest divine loving source, goddess, God energy, the highest loving divine source. And all the way back down through the crown chakra again, and we are going to pass it on to all of these crystals here and wake up all of the divas and the stones. And we ask Archangel Michael to surround us with your loving wings of protection and protect us with your mighty sword of truth. And that's what we are asking, only the truth coming through. And Archangel Raphael, we ask for your loving, healing energy. And Archangel Gabriel, we ask that you come through with clarity of any messages that we receive. And Archangel Uriel, we ask that you finish our circle of protection, and we are all surrounded with protection, me and you, my lovely viewers here. And I ask for our guides to come through, protect us, and give us the best messages for our highest good. Thank you. And I'm going to change these around a little bit and to get my clear crystal ball too. Okay, I'm going to meditate for a second and connect with Prince Harry. Okay, are my guides here, please? I have ringing in my ears. High pitched is usually when my loving spirit guides. All right, we're just going to ask and see if we can get any messages, because I do, even in my last video, or even in my last reading about Harry, he is so angry. He's just an angry, angry person. I'm also getting my Celestite here so we can connect. And we have new moon energy as well. So I'm going to get my rainbow moonstone here as well. Helps connect with the moon goddess energies as well. I have to tell you too that this video is for entertainment only. I know that Meghan had put that video up of Harry surfing in that surf wave machine, whatever it was. And he is nowhere to be found around there. I did say that. Other tarot readers are saying it as well. He is nowhere around there. And I do believe she does not know where he is. So let's concentrate not at all on her. We are asking about Harry. Thank you. You know, I get the feeling he really, really does hate his father, the king. We will say the king because this channel, as you know, does not believe that that is his father. But anyway, we will say yes, he does hate him. He has been a thorn in the king's side, even when he was the Prince of Wales, Charles. He's been a thorn to him. And he is very spoiled, so it's their own fault. Harry has never ever had to be accountable for anything. The world has changed, Harry. Because before, and I'm getting this message that people used to say, oh, that's just Harry for you, but people are fed up. They know he is 40 years old or 41 coming up to. I shouldn't say this, but I'm getting a message. Um, and they said, and balding because he was so awful about Prince William. So, yes, and oh my goodness, my ears are ringing. And he absolutely despises William. He is so jealous. I could feel the jealousy and the rage. Archangel Michael, take this off of me. Thank you. Yes, he is just an envious person. But all of this, he absolutely knows this. He knows he messed up and he knows that this is his fault. That's why he keeps doing this to try to show people the royals are, it's the royals' fault. William is the one. Prince William is the one. I'm getting the message that he has changed his number and Meghan is not able to get hold of him. And also, there are people protecting him. He is away, and there are people protecting him. I feel that he is sick as well, but what are they doing? As he travels, he does have medical and psychiatric medics to help. He is not well. He is not well. This is part of the anger. Goodness, I am even seeing, I mean, this, like I said, is for entertainment only, but I do see a white him in white. I see him in white, like his arms crossed and that in a white jacket. Just to let you know, this is for entertainment only and allegedly. That is why he is not responding. That is why. Is this down to the royals? Do the royals have custody of him? Do the royals have custody of him? That's what I'm getting. That is the exact phrase. He is in the custody of the royals. They know he is ill. Thank you for that message. I'm trying to figure out what that message of Meghan with him surfing from last year, because that was in the past. He is definitely away from her. Okay, we're going to close this session now. That's all that's all the message I could get. Sometimes it feels quite exhausting. I thank you all of my guides, my lovely guides. I thank you all, the archangels, for being here. And I'm asking for you to close this session and keep us all protected. Thank you. Thank you to the highest divine loving source, God and Goddess. Thank you. And I now close my chakras to the outside to protect myself. Let's have a few deep breaths and bring ourselves back down. You can feel the ground, wiggling your feet and toes. And this session is closed. Thank you all so much for joining me. I appreciate you all. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed. And hit the notification bell. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. And I want to shout out to my members. I appreciate you so much, each and every one of you, for supporting my channel. Thank you so much. And I appreciate all of my subscribers and my newest subscribers too. Thank you so much. And all of my viewers, I appreciate you all. Thank you, and I will see you on the next one.